Hey teacher friend, welcome back to my channel. My name's Molly and I'm a fifth grade teacher who helps other teachers just like you streamline your literacy block so you can spend more time teaching and less time prepping. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to foster independence in your students while they're doing the daily five. So how do we get them to be more independent? I recently got a question on YouTube about this pertaining to read to self specifically, and I promised to make a different video about that, but I'll probably touch on that a little bit today. So the first thing I want to say is that Daily 5 centers are meant for your students to work independently. And I truly believe and know for a fact that kindergartners can do this. If you go back and watch my video on Daily 5 for kindergarten that I posted a few weeks ago, then you'll see exactly how to do that. And I did that for years, and I also did that for years in first grade. Now that I'm in fifth grade, honestly, the only difference is that they can build their stamina faster. That's been one of the nice things I've liked about fifth grade so far, but they're doing the same stations with different activities while still meeting me in book group. I'm also going to be working on a Daily 5 video for fifth grade as well, in case there's any upper elementary teachers that are watching this. But just know that the whole point of Daily 5 is to have independent workers. It's not teaching the science of reading or anything like that. And you know I'm going to keep repeating that because I had some heat on me about that over on TikTok. It is creating independence. It's the structure of your literacy block. Okay, the next thing I'm going to say are the main things that you are going to be having your students work on during Daily 5 are read to self, read to friend if they're first grade or older. I think maybe kindergartners can do this. I've never had great luck with that in a Title I building where I was, because a lot of my kindergartners didn't come in reading, and the point of read to friend is that you're able to read to your friend. Word work, listen to reading, work on writing, and your book club or book group. Those are the key five. Are you going to get to them all in one day? Not necessarily, but the whole purpose is so you as the teacher can get to more reading groups and you're not interrupted with constant disruptions from students, and they're able to independently work because you've taught them to do so. The great thing about Daily 5 is that you can customize the activities for your unique class. I might have videos later down the road of things that my class does, but I'm trying to walk a fine line of telling you exactly what to do versus giving you all the activities, because your kids are going to be different than mine, but the station names can stay consistent. And one of the great things about the product that I've created in my TPT store that shows you exactly how to project the choices on the smartboard so you don't have to call the kids back and forth to the carpet is that it's completely editable. So you can change out the names of the activities. And I do that from time to time as well. And the students just have to learn what the new letter is. And it's really easy to customize and make for your class, which is fantastic when everybody's class is different. And that's one thing I love about Daily 5. Okay, next. I'm going to encourage you to keep Daily 5 activities simple. Stop overthinking it and putting all this pressure on yourself that you have to make these amazing activities. I'm going to be talking about Math Daily 3 coming down the road, but one of the things my students do is dice, and that helps with fact fluency, and I'll explain that when I get to that video. But you might think, oh, they're going to get bored of it. But honestly, no, they won't. And they need that repetition to grow their skills in certain areas. So that's just one reminder that the activities don't have to be these great, amazing things, but they do need to pertain to the learning standards that you're trying to target with them. And oftentimes I like to pair word work with book club, and it just works out really nicely. And if you have questions about that, please leave comments below, and I'm happy to make more videos to help you have a successful literacy block, which to me involves having Daily 5. Okay, last but not least, reminder to you that Daily 5 is how you structure your literacy time, and it's not how you're teaching. So I don't know what curriculum you're using. My district has moved towards Tier 1 instruction, and we use a program called Benchmark, and so that's being incorporated as well as independent stations that I do. This is how you structure your literacy time. So just a reminder of that. Don't let people scare you away from trying Daily 5, or the science of reading people can come on really strong. And I I don't mean to do them any injustice. It's just I feel like they don't truly understand that Daily Five is a tool to get you to the results you want, which is meeting with your reading groups and helping kids on a one-to-one basis or a small group basis versus everything being whole group instruction, which we know by the time they get to the upper grades, they're often not raising their hands because they're afraid of looking like they don't know what they're talking about. And now that I'm in fifth grade, I've truly seen that. And once I switch to small groups, my kids light up and they love to participate and they're so engaged. I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to check out all my Daily 5 videos here on this YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button so you can be the first to know when they land. And I have tons of Daily 5 activities and structural products inside of my TPT store to help you get started with videos even on how to use them. So let me know what you're doing in the Daily 5 in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.